All right, so welcome to barbecuepitboys.com. That's how we say it, huh? All the time. Hey, we're doing some Chucky chicken today. You gotta check this out.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a Chucky chicken burger. What the hell is that? I'm telling you, it's really good. You gotta check this out.
Busting with flavor.
Look at this. So here's some of the ingredients you're gonna need. It's very easy. We got some chuck steak right here, right? Perfect. Plenty of fat content, which we're looking for. And we've got some boneless chicken, right? So here's the Chucky chicken and the burger part. We're gonna need, some bell peppers. We're gonna need pepperoni in a little of this. That's optional. We got some lettuce for this burger, tomato, onion, blah, blah, blah. A couple of spices. And of course, we've got our Kansas City and we got our SPG, but choose your favorite rub like we always say. All right, so we're going to show you how to put this together. Let's do this, man. All right. Bell pepper all chopped up. Now we're chopping these up so it gets to our meat processor, all right? Because we're going to be grinding this all up together with the chicken and the chuck. All right, chopped onion. Now, the chuck beef. It's the most flavorful part of the beef, as most of you know. You want to use chuck for your burgers whenever you can. So you get a blend of about 80% lean to 20% fat. But you all know about that. You've been following this for, what, 18, 19 years now? Chuck your chicken. Boneless chicken breast. Pretty boring stuff, as most of you know. Not easy to cook because they're so lean. But in a burger, they're pretty damn good, right?
Yeah.
We're going to grind them up.
Surprisingly good flavor with this mix.
All right. Now the grinder. There we go. Oh, baby. Yeah. Get that pepperoni in there. All right. That's what ground pepperoni looks like.
A little bit, and then half of this.
Yep.
Half of it.
Oh man.
Do this half of this.
There we go. There we go. You know that burger's gonna be good, man. So. Yeah, that's good. Like that. All right. Now the seasoning. Here we got some Kansas City rub. Got a little smokiness in it.
SPG.
course, we got some SPG. These are about what? A little about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons?
Yeah, about a tablespoon.
All right.
2 tablespoons.
Then we've got some cumin.
Cumin, yeah.
Yep.
And then we got some chili powder.
And the chili powder. Oh, man. Tell me more. All right. Real good. I'm going to try to get all these ingredients in this bowl. You can go so
Try
far.
to.
Now, yeah. Perfect. All right. Give it a good mix. And use the hands that God gave you. Now we got the grill fired up outside for this.
Yeah.
Now, of course, you can do this in your kitchen and use your countertop ovens or whatever you got going on. I don't have to tell you. But doing it on a grill, open fire, whatever, it tastes, it's 1,000 times better. I don't have to explain
Definitely
that to you.
offset cooking, that's for sure.
Yep.
And it takes a while to cook these burgers
Oh,
because
yeah.
they are thick.
Yep.
A lot of good meat right there.
Oh, yeah. It's green bell pepper that really pops out too. We had it in here somewhere. Now it's time to get them out to the grill. This is what it's all about. I'll tell you what. Like I said, I want mine rare, just singed.
Perfect.
All right,
Let's do it.
let's get to the grill. The old kettle grill is set up for indirect grilling. And if you've been following us for almost 20 years on the face or the tube, you know what that's all about. So we're cooking these like you would in an oven, right? Don't go directly over the hot charcoal because you will cook too fast. You might burn. So we'll cook indirect like it's in an oven. And gently cook them. Oh man, take a look at that. Ooh-wee. All right. Yep. All right. Take a look at that. Oh, they're coming along. Just getting a little temperature here.
Oh, we got a nice temp there.
Showing about 114, 115.
Got a little way to go.
Yep. We want to do about 160 Fahrenheit on this.
Yep.
Perfect.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Take a look at that. All right. Cheese is melted. Yeah, I got. Well, this is the part where the pitmasters are gonna eat in front of you.
That's it.
Oh man. Mm. Mm. Are you kidding me? The hell with Martha. Mm. Mm.
This is delicious.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com.